So if you've heard about this pretty amazing new artificial intelligence chatbot called ChatGPT from the company OpenAI, you might be wondering, can this thing just do all of my work for me from now on? Is that plagiarism? Is it legal? I'm going to give you the quick and dirty rundown. It's a pretty interesting topic. Make sure you stay until the end of the video. So what is GPT? GPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a type of AI system that is designed to generate text that is similar to human writing. It uses advanced algorithms and a large amount of training data to produce text that is coherent and contextually appropriate. GPT can be used for a variety of applications such as language translation, summarization, and generating responses to user input. It is considered to be a cutting-edge development in the field of natural language processing. So is it plagiarism if you use ChatGPT to do your work for you? Well, what is plagiarism? Plagiarism is the act of using someone else's work without giving them proper credit or permission. This can include copying text verbatim, paraphrasing someone else's ideas without attribution, or using images or other media without permission. In general, plagiarism is considered to be a form of academic dishonesty and is punishable by schools and universities. When it comes to chatbots and language models like GPT, the issue of plagiarism is a bit more complicated. On the one hand, these AI systems are capable of generating text that is similar to human writing, but they do not necessarily have the same understanding of intellectual property or the concept of plagiarism. As a result, it is difficult to hold a chatbot or language model accountable for plagiarizing someone else's work. However, just because it may be difficult to hold a chatbot or language model accountable for plagiarizing does not mean it is legal to do so. In fact, using someone else's work without permission is still considered to be plagiarism, regardless of whether it was generated by a human or an AI system. If a person were to use a chatbot or language model to generate text that is based on someone else's work without permission, they could potentially be sued for copyright infringement. This is because the copyright holder has the exclusive right to reproduce, distribute, or create derivatives of their work. And using a chatbot or language model to generate text based on their work without permission would be a violation of those rights. Additionally, using a chatbot or language model to generate text that is based on someone else's work without proper attribution could also be considered to be plagiarism. In academic settings, plagiarism is typically considered to be a form of academic dishonesty and can result in penalties such as failing a class or being expelled from a university. In conclusion, while it may be difficult to hold a chatbot or language model accountable for plagiarizing someone else's work, it is still considered to be illegal to use someone else's work without permission or proper attribution. As such, it is important for individuals to be careful about using AI systems to generate text and to make sure that they are not using someone else's work without permission or proper attribution. Okay, so there you have it. If you use someone else's work, even through a chatbot, you need to give them proper attribution. So if, for instance, you have ChatGPT write an entire script for a video about the legality of plagiarizing ChatGPT, you need to say something like, ChatGPT wrote this entire script for a video about the legality of plagiarizing ChatGPT. Because it's true, ChatGPT wrote this entire script. Yeah, we do like to have fun. That was a little experiment. How do you think ChatGPT did? I think it did a pretty good job. There were a few weird words and phrases, some repetition, but you know, who am I to talk? As far as the legal analysis, I think it was correct. It was a little confusing in places whether they were talking about the copyright holder being the person who, like the human person who originally created the work that then was used for training data for the AI system, or was it talking about the builders of the AI system being the copyright holder? Obviously, this is an emerging new area of the law, and a lot of the laws are yet to be written on this subject. I would think that the chat builder itself would have some copyright in the text it generates. A lot of this remains to be seen. Anyway, hope you enjoyed watching that. Like and subscribe for more legal education for entrepreneurs. We've got a ton of videos on our channel to help your business. The other videos I wrote using my real human lawyer brain.